Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to use a polished wheel cleaner. It's called Mother's Polished Aluminum Wheel Cleaner on these 7-spoke wheels. As you can see, they're pretty dirty with brake dust, and the wheels are the last thing you wash in the car because it's the hardest, because you have to stick your fingers in and get all around the edges, and I hate doing it. So I thought I'd try this, and it works pretty good. So I'm going to show you. I purposely let this here wheel go pretty bad because the one in the back, you see the back wheel, it's not so bad because the front usually get all the brake dust because I'm a pretty aggressive driver a lot of the time, so they get pretty black. So what this is, you spray it on. It's just a squirt bottle, and it takes about 20 squirts to do the whole wheel. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay? And it says leave it sit for 2 minutes. Just a few more squirts for good luck. And I'm going to go do the other side now, same thing. Okay, it's just as bad too, so I'm going to give that 2 minutes over there, so it'll take about 2 minutes to do this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. I guess I was off on the counting, so probably 30 squirts. This bottle's not, this is about the 4th time I washed these wheels with it, so it's pretty good. It's not a bad size. It's how many units? 710 mil, and it does an amazing job, I gotta admit. So let's just wait 2 minutes. I'll put this on pause for a sec. Actually, I may as well do the back one too automatic. I'm gonna wash the car in a minute anyway, so get these all cleaned up. I've got to go to a wedding today, get the car looking good. Oh boy. Okay, that's another one. We're back, and I hope you don't mind watching the video. It probably takes a few minutes. If you're looking for the results, you can skip ahead to the spraying off part, but if you want to watch the video, go right ahead. And let's see how this looks. Oh yeah, oh boy, it kind of smells pretty. I wouldn't inhale it, by the way, so there you go. Okay, let's leave that sit. Okay, so the whole point of this is so you don't have to scrub your windows with a brush. Okay, I mean windows, your wheel. Okay, here goes. Let's see what we got here. Did I miss something? I wasn't supposed to do that. Gee, that's the whole point of the video, is to show you how good the stuff is, but let's see, clean that off. I'll try the other wheel. Okay, let's go do the other one. Okay, here goes. Let's try this one here. Let's see. Gee. Maybe I let it go too long, I guess. I don't know. I thought this would come out perfect, but as you can see, a little bit of residue left. Now let's do the back ones. The back ones weren't very dirty to begin with, so it should be a little easier. Came pretty nice. Okay, the last wheel. Well, there you go. The back ones came perfect. I only missed a little bit of stuff. That's not too bad. I could do it again, I guess, and try it, but I don't have to for this video. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section if you think it's worthwhile.